Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. If you're new to HVAC or air conditioning, this video is the perfect place to start. Today, we'll learn the basic working principle of an air conditioner, its main components, and how it cools a room. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong understanding of AC system basics. Let's begin. What is an air conditioner? An air conditioner, AC, is a machine that removes heat and humidity from indoor air to make a room cooler and more comfortable. An air conditioner does not create cold air. Instead, it removes heat from inside the room and releases it outside using a refrigerant and the refrigeration cycle. Main components of an air conditioner. Every basic air conditioning system has 4 main refrigeration components and several supporting parts. 1. Compressor. The compressor is called the heart of the air conditioning system. It compresses low-pressure refrigerant vapor into high-pressure, high-temperature vapor and circulates the refrigerant throughout the system. 2. Condenser coil. The condenser is located in the outdoor unit. Its job is to release the heat carried by the refrigerant to the outside air. As heat is removed, the refrigerant changes from a high-pressure vapor into a high-pressure liquid. 3. Expansion valve or other metering device. The expansion valve reduces the refrigerant's pressure and controls the amount of refrigerant entering the evaporator. This pressure drop lowers the refrigerant temperature before it enters the evaporator. 4. Evaporator coil. The evaporator is located inside the indoor unit. Warm room air passes over the cold evaporator coil. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the air, causing the refrigerant to evaporate into a vapor, while the cooled air is blown back into the room. Other important AC components. Besides the 4 main refrigeration components, an air conditioner also includes indoor blower fan, outdoor condenser fan, air filter, thermostat, temperature sensors, thermistors, PCB, printed circuit board, copper refrigerant pipes, and drain pipe for condensate water. Each of these components helps the system operate safely and efficiently. How does an air conditioner work? The air conditioner works through the vapor compression refrigeration cycle. First, the compressor compresses the refrigerant into a high-pressure, high-temperature vapor. Next, the refrigerant flows to the condenser, where it releases heat to the outdoor air and becomes a high-pressure liquid. The liquid refrigerant then passes through the expansion valve, where its pressure and temperature drop. Finally, the cold refrigerant enters the evaporator, absorbs heat from the indoor air, and changes back into a vapor. The compressor then draws this vapor back in, and the cycle repeats continuously. What is refrigerant? Refrigerant is the working fluid that transfers heat inside the air conditioning system. It absorbs heat from the indoor air in the evaporator and releases that heat outdoors through the condenser. Common modern refrigerants include R32 and R410A, although the refrigerant used depends on the system design and manufacturer. Why is an air filter important? The air filter removes dust, dirt, and other airborne particles from the air before it passes over the evaporator coil. A clean air filter improves airflow, cooling performance, and indoor air quality, while a dirty filter can reduce efficiency and may contribute to evaporator coil icing. Why does an air conditioner remove humidity? When warm, humid indoor air passes over the cold evaporator coil, moisture in the air condenses into water droplets on the coil. This water drains away through the condensate drain pipe, reducing indoor humidity and making the room feel more comfortable. Types of air conditioners. The most common types of air conditioners are split AC, window AC, cassette AC, ducted AC, portable AC, central air conditioning. VRF, variable refrigerant flow systems. Each type is designed for different building sizes and cooling requirements. Basic AC maintenance tips. To keep an air conditioner operating efficiently, clean or replace the air filter regularly. Keep the indoor and outdoor coils clean. Ensure good airflow around the outdoor unit. Check the condensate drain for blockages. Have refrigerant leaks repaired by a qualified technician before recharging the system. Schedule periodic professional maintenance. Proper maintenance improves performance, reduces energy consumption, and extends equipment life. Conclusion. Let's quickly recap. An air conditioner removes heat and humidity from indoor air using the vapor compression refrigeration cycle. The four main refrigeration components are compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator. Together, these components transfer heat from inside the building to the outside, providing comfortable indoor cooling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC official channel.